Welcome back to the Tiny Tots Bookland. We are here with another video of unboxing our box of full of books. That is full of books. Okay, let's open with me. Okay, this is a box of mixed books. It has all the books like paperback, hardcover books, and general knowledge, fiction, non-fiction, both books in this box. Okay, this is a very famous author, David Williams books. 3 titles we have of David Williams, and there is another most wanted book, Peter Rabbit books, and I can see Winnie the Witch also, Snowy Bear hardcover reading book, and again Winnie the Witch. This is a hardcover. Okay. And Harry and the Dinosaur, a very famous title with 5 stories in one book. It has 5 stories in one book. Okay, let me show you the inside so you can get the idea. Okay, moving towards the next books. This is Angry Bird activity book. Okay, Meow Meow, a reading book for early readers. Okay, Curious George, all are very famous titles. Okay, The Good Dinosaur, the movie. This is a hardcover book. All books are in very good and excellent condition. Even these books you can give to anyone. Farmyard Stories. Okay, 10 stories in one book. Then we have some science books, and again we have Winnie the Witch paperback book, 3 and 4 stories in one book. Okay, Fireman Sam. This is a hardcover book. This one is hardcover book. Okay, this is a science book related to weather. About dinosaurs. Hardcover book. It has all the details of dinosaurs. Okay, Winnie the Pooh, easy to read, early readers. Hardcover book. Again, Winnie the Pooh, story treasury, hardcover and in excellent condition. Okay, I'm just showing the pages so you can get the idea how much text it have. Okay, My Princess Treasury. All right. This is a very thick book with glossy pages and hardcover and glossy pages. Okay, My Baby book. The Paddington Treasury. This is also a paperback book. Okay, I Am a Wonder Woman. This is a reading and activity book. Princess Stories. Hardcover book with different stories in one book. Bedtime stories again. Hardcover book. Okay, the US Born Book of Fairy Tales. This is a hardcover book. Excellent condition. Ocean stickers. Might be possible some stickers are missed. Coloring book. Some pages might be possible used. Okay. Amazing Adventures. Frozen and Amazing Adventures. Okay, last. Unicorn Stories for Fairies. Of Fairies story. Okay, it is very glossy pages it has. Now moving towards the next box. Okay. It also has hardcover reading treasuries. Baby and the Toddler Treasury by the Puffin. This is a hardcover, a very thick book. A very thick hardcover book. Then we have Bedtime Treasury, Nursery Rhymes and Tales. Okay, this one is a very heavy and thick book. Peter Rabbit. Okay, next is Peter Rabbit. Let me fix the camera. Okay, the Tale of Peter Rabbit and Other Stories. 14 stories in one book. Hardcover, excellent condition book. Next we have Peter Pan Disney book. Hardcover reading book. Okay, then Winnie the Pooh. Again we have Winnie the Pooh. Hardcover book. 3 stories, I guess, in one book. This is 365 stories and rhymes for girls or for mixed children. Paddington Treasury. Again, a thick hardcover book with glossy pages, easy to read. Favorite bedtime stories. Again, a hardcover, thick storybook, very thick storybook. Okay, in the last, the Farmyard Tales. Again, a very thick, colorful